Hello, welcome Subsea Expo 2023. So we're exhibiting a range of latest generation motor drives. These are silicon carbide devices. It's actually 24 kilowatt, 800 volt, good for thruster motors, amongst other things. We also have high temperature downhole tool electronics rated up to 150 degrees C. We're integrating these electronics within Subsea Electric Actuators, which is really our core product in the Olsen Subsea division. And this is actually on a submarine program, and it incorporates a long life planetary roller screw mechanism which develops a huge amount of thrust in a very small footprint. This is actually rated at 25 kilonewton. For a modulating valve application, there's no risk of premature wearing like you get with lead screws. So a roller screw will actually last 100 times longer than a lead screw, and it'll last about 15 times longer than an equivalent size ball screw. So yeah, very high shock capability. And then what we do is we've got this patented design where the motor is directly around the roller screw mechanism. So it's called direct drive. So you don't have to piggyback a motor with any gears or belts. It's all encompassed in the one enclosure. It's an electric cylinder. It's the same footprint as you would expect with an equivalent hydraulic cylinder, up to about 5 tons. So yeah, electric actuators and motor drives is our specialty. Let's come and have a look at the stand. Come over here. So we got obviously UK made, which is important for some customers. We can control these thruster motors with the motor drives. We can do manipulator arms, mechanisms for that. We may have some flight control surfaces that can be controlled with the actuators for ROV industry. Camera control, pan and tilt of cameras. Submarine applications, obviously you've got hatch opening, you've got deployment of masts, and anything really where you would have traditionally a hydraulic, we replace that with clean and green electric. So you've got the large oil and gas market for subsea trees. A lot of those are going electric these days. Chemical injection metering valves, CMIVs, and various other control of oil and injection for the wells. Because of our patented design with the roller screw, the mass of our actuators is very low, which is a benefit in certain cases, because you can fly the actuator in with a smaller ROV. 30-year design life. And we've got all the electronics integrated inside the linear actuator. So it does actually meet the mil specs for shock and vibration. And then tidal generation, renewable sector. We've done a lot of pitch control on surface wind turbines. And basically we can do the same with renewable subsea tidal generation systems. So it may be deploying some mechanisms, or actually controlling the pitch of the blades to improve the efficiency, depending on the flow of the water. So yeah, thanks very much for your attention, and need any electric actuators, you know where we are. Thank you.